Good evening, friends. I am Abhijit and welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 19th of July, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 20th of July, Wednesday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the Indian indices, all indices closed in green. If we talk about European indices, Germany is in green. Trading all the indices are trading more than 1%. If we talk about France, similar is the case with France and UK, all the indices are trading in good green. If we talk about China, a couple of indices were in red, couple of indices were in green, so we can say there were mixed signals from China. If we talk about US, all the indices Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500 are more than 1.5% up. So there is a bullish move going on in the US market, so that's why Indian markets all are also surging. If we talk about the FIDI data for today, FIs were net buyers, they have bought for 976 crores, DIs were net buyers, net sellers, I'm sorry, they have sold for 100 crores. Let's go to Nifty on a 15-minute chart. What we need to see today is there was a bullish move and market is respecting a trend line which we have drawn on the 15-minute chart. What we need to see is today there were uh, a couple of moves which could have been captured by the market, but market is behaving in a abrupt manner. For example, let's say if we see that this is an M pattern which is being uh, which is being formed by the market, but here the market did not break the neckline, and from there the market has reversed. So now it has become a W pattern, and the market has closed above it. So market has closed at 16,340. So right now market is in bullish move. As per XGS Nifty, we can see 100 points gap up tomorrow. So what we need to see, how many call writers are at 16,500 and what will they do once market open 100-point gap up. So at 16,320 looks like the first support for the market. The second support is at 16,270 and the third is at 16,180 to 200. Just making you guys aware that this gap is kind of unfilled as of now, and this should be filled if market wants to move gap up and wants to go gap up. Okay, so on the resistance side, the first resistance is at 16,420, followed by 16,500 and then 16,550. What we need to see on option chain is 16,400 is having a huge open interest of call writers, and 16,500. So 16,500 can be a tricky strike price for this week expiry, but we need to see what happens at 16,500. Right now call writers are in huge grip, followed by 16,600. So looks like 16,500 is make or break strike price for the call writers. If this is crossed, then 16,600 is on the cards. If we talk about the support, there are multiple support, especially a huge strong support has been formed at 16,200. So majority of the put writers have come to 16,200 level, and look at the uh, call unwinding which has happened in the ITM strike prices. So all the call riders have closed their positions and losses and moved to the higher strike prices. So as of now, the range for tomorrow could be 16,200 to 16,500. Let's go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was also very bullish today. In fact, Bank Nifty closed 1% up, whereas Nifty closed around 0.38% up. So Bank Nifty was much more stronger than the Nifty, and it was more like a upward trending move today also. So for Bank Nifty, what we need to see, we have closed at 35,720 level, which is very close to the resistance. So the first resistance is 35,850, followed by 35,950, and then 36,100. On the support side, the support comes at 35,550, followed by 35,450, and then 35,150. The ultimate support is at 35,000 level. If we talk about option chain, Bank Nifty option chain is bullish as of now. 36,000 is a strike price where we can see huge call writers are active. Let's see whether this strike price is defended tomorrow and day after tomorrow. If we talk about the support comes at 35,000 level on a broader range, but for tomorrow, it looks like 35,500 is a safe strike price. Now let me show you the
हाय गाइस, ये निफ्टी का 5 मिनट्स का चार्ट है। 19 ऑफ जुलाई का मार्केट अभी लाइव है। 16,270 का मार्केट का लेवल है। मार्केट को एग्जैक्टली हमने टॉप पे शॉर्ट किया, रेजिस्टेंस लाइन से रेजिस्टेंस लिया और यहाँ पे 16,400 का कॉल हमने शॉर्ट किया। मार्केट बुलिश मूव में है तो हम ज़्यादा डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते। मार्केट छोटे छोटे स्विंग्स दिखाएगा और उसके बाद मार्केट ऊपर जाने की कोशिश करेगा। तो हमने यहीं पे प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया जहाँ पे मार्केट अभी रिवर्स करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। 16,270 का लेवल है। मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा 16,400 का जो कॉल था वो हमने राइट किया था और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इसमें 8,400 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट है। मार्केट लाइव है अभी। थैंक यू। हाय गाइज।
so that's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.